Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and I just want to touch on something that I feel could be a very huge mistake, and that is letting your RV Life Pro subscription expire. Let's talk about this. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. If you own an RV and you're active in the RV lifestyle, then letting your RV Life Pro subscription expire could be a huge mistake. By using a promotion such as mine, you can scan this QR code to get started. You can save 25% off your first year subscription. But that's not the only thing that happens. You lock your rate. So if the rate were to ever go up, if there are any new features or any updates, you don't pay anything extra. RV Life Trip Wizard can be used beyond just your RV as well. You can plan trips with just about any vehicle with this software and see how much each trip will cost you. With RV Life Pro, not only do you get the amazing Trip Wizard, but you get an extensive set of tools that are at your disposal at any time. If you choose to let your subscription expire, you will need to pay the rate that is due at the time you want to restart it. So keep all of this in mind when you decide if you should keep your RV Life Pro subscription active or to let it cancel. But in the end, it is your choice. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I know that I use RV Life Pro quite a bit, and I've found a lot of really nice destinations using RV Life Trip Wizard and using the RV Life Campgrounds. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.